Hi guys, I'm Jan. This is Betty, my non-stop braking van, and today I'll show you how this funny thing looks inside. Okay, so this is my bedroom. Actually, it's just a mattress on the top of the table, which is really great because I can keep all my stuff I need only under the table. So the rest of the van I can use, my way. I can put whatever and wherever I want. So this is really great, and it's really practical because you have light here. We have also fan here that doesn't work, but it's still here, and I can also watch my ice hockey games.
Chara has room. He'll fire. He scores! An absolute bomb. Big Z.
Welcome to town.
Big Z with all his kids around him.
I love it.
What I really like on my bedroom is that it's really close to my kitchen. Hoopla! Oh! Coffee? Office. And you finish your exercise right in the shower. You can have a little bit shower, whatever. Doesn't matter if it's cold or not because you don't have hot shower. I have hot shower every maybe 2 or 3 months actually, yeah, that's the thing. But this is really different story. It's really cold and you don't really feel it. I mean, you feel it, but you don't really care because you have cold or colder shower every day. So it's great, And the best thing is that even if you have this kind of shower and it's cold shower, it's inside, now you are thinking, okay, so what's going to happen with water? I'll show you. The best thing is if you wanna go from the gym to the living room, actually you have to go through the kitchen. What is really cool because always you can achieve something, So this is my living room. I really love it because I can work here, I can cook here, I have so much stuff here. Not everything is for your eyes, but it's really great. So I think this one would be better. Yeah, that's the living room pretty much. So I have a cooler here, Hopla, with beers of course, all the time. It's my most favorite spot. I have closet here. Yeah, this one doesn't look very well. So if I wanna play, I'm really nice guy, very serious one. So I put in the front this one. So, toilet, right? As a journalist, actually, I learned that sometimes less is more, and seeing once is more than hearing 100 times. So toilet, right? Da-da-da-da, 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 of course, right? So these bags, if you are in the city, Definitely not throw it in front of the Walmart somewhere, but maybe some park for dogs or whatever. Or this one, use in the nature, but of course also this funny thing. I hope you know how to use it, definitely you know. So that's my way, how I do it. It's super comfortable. Even some of you are thinking, oh man, how you can use it? Come on, man, it's not that easy. Oh, it's not that hard, you know. It's easy, actually. And you know, if you don't mind to do it inside, what is like, come on, like, don't be, you know. So then you are totally free. That's the point. You can say like, oh man, do it in the car and whatever. Come on. But if you do it, and you don't have any problem with that, in the future you are totally independent. You have shower, you have toilet, you have this funny thing, I don't know how you call it, and you have everything, you know. Imagine this apartment, it's great, isn't it? You have bedroom, you have kitchen, you have office, you have gym, you have bathroom, you have living room, you have closet, you have toilet. What else you need? I know what else. Electricity. It's super easy. You just need to have a solar panel. I have one flexible solar panel, 160. I have one MPPT charge controller. I need inverter and battery, and that's it. And do it by yourself because it's not that hard. On YouTube you have everything. So I have my electricity and I am super independent. Cooler, 30 bucks. Shower, 30. Toilet, 30. Kitchen shelf, 30. Gas stove, 30. Sofa, 30. And small things, 30. Electricity, 500. So together, how much? Pretty much 700 bucks. What's that? A van and 700 bucks and you can go wherever you want and you don't pay your rent. Beautiful, isn't it? Every day you can wake up, get a coffee, and ask yourself what I wanna do. And that's the best part.